Hi, welcome to the Florence Villa. This is our entryway, and this is our student room. So this is where the students like to hang out, lounge on the couches, play a little Mario Kart or Wii. And over this way is the kitchen. This is where the students have their meals. Some people choose to study in here. There's like storage and breakfast supplies out now, but this is our little cafeteria. If we keep going through here, we will find the library. So here is our library where students come in, study, they can relax a little bit. Further in is the computer room where there's printers and different forms of technology for the students to use at their disposal. Over here is our music room. There's piano, guitars, some couches to relax, and some other instruments that are free for everyone to use. And that's the entire ground floor.
Hello everyone, I'm Joseph, and I'm going to show you downstairs where all the classrooms are. Come on, guys. Here's our seminar room. This is where we hold our seminars. Alright guys, we have 16 chairs. This is the chapel. If you need a quiet place to relax, meditate, or pray, this is the place for you. If you come this way, our other two classrooms are in here and here. Here is the smaller one of the two.
All meet here in the morning, Italian 152, the second year of Italian. Then at the end of the day, if you're in Hume, you might have Hume in here with Elizabeth. Here's a bathroom, in between classes, a little quick break.
And here is the actual classroom. This is where 90% of the classes are held. As you can see, we have 2 smart boards, because we're smart people, and plenty of chairs for everyone. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 40 chairs.
This is a little mini game room. I haven't really played foosball yet. I'm not a big foosball guy. But you come here, chill out. This is a nice couch, pretty comfy. Come here, get your cappuccino, wake you up. And then the little vending machine, I've been here once or twice. We got a couple American snacks. We got the Twix and M&Ms. But yeah, it's like €1, half €1 for everything. And then outside, the ping pong table, where the games happen. So here's where the cleaning happens, the laundry room. So we got 3 washers, 3 dryers. Unlike the campuses back home, we got 2 dryers and 1 washer. Put a coin in, wash your clothes. Pretty simple, Then the courtyard. Some people come and chill out here, do homework. If you ever need to call someone back home, you'll probably do it out here. It's a little serene space to just, be alone sometimes, because we are in a tight villa. Even though it's nice to see everybody, you want to be alone at certain points.
Alrighty guys, welcome to the Pepperdine gym. It's pretty exciting in here. We got our bench right here, and then we got our dumbbells over here. These bad boys are in kilos. You're looking at getting from some low pounds to maybe 30 or 35. Don't know the exact conversion, but if you're looking to make some gains, this is where we come. We got an elliptical right here, and we got a treadmill. So you do a lot of walking in Florence, so this is very good for you. Yeah, go abroad to Florence.
Hi everybody, my name is Anna and welcome to my room at Pepperdine's Florence campus. Here we have mine and my roommate's dressers. We also each have our own desks in the main area of the room. And these over here are our bunk beds. And this is our bathroom.